Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on POCO X5 Pro. And to do this we'll need to remove the cover and find the SIM slot at the same time. So it's right here. Now take a needle from the box, it should be included, and stick it in the gap right here. And do not mistake it for this one, unless that's a microphone and you might broke it if you put your SIM needle there. So use a bit of the force now to release the slot, and inside I think there's a dual SIM slot, one right here, and if you turn around it's another one right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.